This is just out of silliness, but I was just been shopping and I found some Newcastle Brown Ale, some Brown, and it's slightly different. It used to be in a brown can. And what's it like? Well, I'll show you in a minute. But it's actually made by John Smith's brewery in Tadcaster. The whole idea of making it in Newcastle was that the water, you know, you can do your same barley and stuff like this, but it all depends on the water. So let's crack this one open and see what it's like. And this is why you get 2 for $7 Canadian. Now, usually Newcastle Brown Ale has a reputation of being, I don't know what to say, very heady. It's like a lot of head. So you used to get a pint bottle and a half glass and you just kept topping it up. Well, we'll pour this out. I know you shouldn't pour it like this, but I can't pour it with one hand, so we get a nice head, you know, like pouring it with one hand. I should be tipping it in. But anyway, let's have a look at this and see what it's like. Wow, look at that heat. Look at that heat. Yeah, give me a couple of minutes, I'll come back. Well, it's only been a minute or two, not even that I don't think. And you can see the head is disappearing at a rate of knots. The whole idea with brown ale was it was a very dense beer. But many years ago, when I first came here to Quebec in Sherbrooke, my mate Martin popped over and we went to a local bar and they had Newcastle Brown Ale on tap. How could that be? It's always been in bottles as far as I can know, or you could buy it in cans, but generally it was in pint bottles. So we thought we'd indulge in it. God, it was awful. It was worse than this. It was flat. All I can describe it is like brown Budweiser. It's just got no density at all. I mean, it's sort of brownish, but that's it. Even put it in a Heineken glass. But look at it. It's awful. What's it taste like? It's all right, but I wouldn't buy it again. So take note, if you, all you expats, get the real stuff. This is awful. I guess this is all you can buy now. But that's it. Look at it. Look at the head on that. Pathetic, isn't it? It's flat as a witch's breast. Look at it. Oh well, that's just to cheer you up a bit. See you later.